How to create WeChat account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create WeChat account, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to ensure that you have the WeChat application installed on your mobile device. Alright, and then once you have it installed, the next thing you can do or you should do is to just click on it in order to launch the application. All right, and so after clicking on it, you do it for a while for it to load. So once that's loaded, you can see two options on the screen at the lowest part of the screen, which includes login or sign up. So just go ahead and click on sign up, and then you have to select how you want to sign up. Do you want to sign up through your mobile or through Facebook? So for me, I'll be selecting mobile, and then you'll be taken to the next stage where you'll be asked to sign up by making use of your phone, of your name and phone number. So for example, I will just be entering this name, Abioye Deborah, and then I'll be selecting a country or a region. Then to select a country or a region, if you do not want to scroll down, just move to the lower right corner here and click on the search icon. Then type out your country. So after searching out your country, the next step is to type out your phone number and then enter in a password. Ensure you make use of a strong password. Right, and then after that, at the lowest part of the screen, you can see the write up which says I have read and accepted the WeChat terms of service. So just select that, then click on accept and continue. All right. Then after clicking on accept and continue, you wait for it to load while you'll be directed to another page. So the next page that you'll be directed to is the privacy policies page. So you can just scroll down and show you read through the privacy policy in order to know what is accepted and what is rejected on WeChat. And then once you're done reading through all of it, the next step would be for you to check this box which says I have read and acknowledged the privacy policy. Then click on the next button at the lowest part of the screen. Then you would wait, just like you can see your screen, which is please wait. Just wait for the next page to be displayed. So the next page that is displayed now is the security verification page. All right, so on this page, next step would be for you to click on authenticate. All right, then after clicking on that, you wait for the captcha to load, and then just go ahead and follow through, complete the puzzle in order for you to be able to create an account. So I'm just going to do that now. After completing the puzzle successfully, a verification code will be sent to your number. So all you need to do is to copy and paste the code in the box displayed. So after pasting the number, click next, and then you do it for the next page to be displayed. Okay. So once you've done that, you'll be brought back to the home page. Now on this page, just scroll down and click on login, and then enter in your number, or you can decide to try out other login options, whichever one you desire. By clicking on other login option, you would see login via your WeChat or through your account. Then if you want to make it with your phone number, just go ahead, click on the search icon by the top right corner, search out your country, and then type out your number again, and then click on accept and continue, and enter in your password as well. Okay, just follow through the process and then click on login, and just like that, you'll be logged in into your account. So that is it. This is your account. This is your WeChat account. That is how to create an account on WeChat. So you can just go ahead, connect with your friends, chat with them, relate with your friends, and have fun making use of the WeChat application. So this is it. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thanks for watching, and have a good time on WeChat.